You want to change the way they think about us, the way they do business. You want them to respect us. People in general read each other's neurocircuits. We read each other's neurocircuits right here. You want them to be calm, you be calm. The best friend you have is your poker face. The minute you roll your eyes, the minute you're walking through the hall going, one of these, you're going to get that right back again. Come on, guys, let's go. Line up. Come on. How many times have I told you? Guys, you need to know this, all right? We've only got 48 hours left before this test is going to come. Really? This is the way we're going to do things? I had a nice lesson, but now we can't do it. Every time this comes out of us, what do you think you're going to get back?
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.